Welcome back. It is what it is. You know, zokuitea. Tidzirazi kuuya ndizvipi ndivenda. Hauna chimwe chitu chine hawa huri ahungo dhuma ngacho ngantani handani hauri huna mudhipo. It's an entertainment place. So I've said it before, guys. There's tracks that when you listen to them, it's not that it's a hit. It's a what. It's Time in the street. We got all the kids jumping around. No. Sometimes the song that just grows into you and you get to enjoy it. This is different. It's something something different. Not as you know I'm saying this when the movie the track of Vhone like Makhadzi Entertainment, the track movie. The music featuring Ntate Stunna, Fortunator, and DJ Gun do SA. Hey, Madzina, honey. So, pumping this track when you first played it, it was like, okay, nice song. But the more you play it, man, the more you play it, it takes you to the space in a Natozifazori Hapa, like you picturing your life, you picturing what's happening. Bangun amus baki tamako tambelori wani baba fezori ha odrutama won dowela 10 years with diva tsangwani yazwa maro bono nilwanga tengwamba chitu ngwebela makumba kudzanga, you know, all those stories. So this track has that thing that it's more like a D song, man. So the track has now a brand new music video. It's a video that I'm about to play for you guys. You need to understand Uri. As soon as I was creating a villain the movie, because you're literally looking at a movie that was being created, even though I felt through the scene, those kids are a took, hopefully hit to a Maori movie, but over the ambassadors on Madembe Titi and Royal Garden. So it looks more like Cape Town. I'm not sure Uri. We should tour guide this music video, but it looks more like Cape Town. This is the one thing I wish our maybe means the PJs na mini, because there's a scene again that she's seen all that. But I guess they were trying to say that she never has time to sleep, time to rest. No life here on the movie, so she needs to always be ready. General bandeni China tamini tabu ya mani hatindenganyiwa chiniwa. But those who wanna the movie no hang other which run the movie who ko bilingana zwitu wo kwetia zwitu namsoneta she needs to get on the stage. So one thing again about this track or this music video, a lot of people can relate, man. There's a lot of people that can relate. Nowadays we have a lot of celebrities, we have a lot of entertainers, we have so many. So this track is more about, like, you know what, when you see it on dowela, you wish rari skeema, you wish rari chiko ubarara njanga marote. It's more of what I'm seeing on this song, you know, on this music video. Vhutshilo how it ends the same like musi tama. The music video, the lifestyle, the vibe. She shows that you don't really need to be competing with anyone, girl. She's no longer doing that. There is nothing that has to happen like ufuko compete nani. So even though I feel rimbo hoba na sini tuku azingoba enough for me. Maybe now I feel like she could have done more. You know, what I mean, you know, one gain thing in here what I love about this song, when you switch from Makhadzi's verses and you get to Ntate Stunna, I'm telling you, he brought that breath of fresh air, man. He brought that vibe, that attitude to show you, yes, you wish, you know, lyrically, this guy is dope, man. I don't know, when it comes to his lyrics. He makes sure ni mupfe ni mupfesesa zwino zwa khombona a una mamulinga ono pfi khomina maipfi he makes sure ni feel or Musutu or Jena Jose or Jena Venda or Jena Hot South Africa mungona mwezi enjoying the song. This thing takes this song now rusike no rokufuniwa in and out of the country. Yes, ningaona dizone res dozo wafuniwa komba nda pezi huna certain territories na donore ukubalo rangazi crack or Jena, but working with other artists no razaro kwamba zone arikobudza bamwe and by it really does a great job, you know. So jumping into this scene, I don't know, man. The scene and the Filori, it was not, didn't really do justice. It didn't really bring much to the music video. It brought a little bit of impact, but I wish, like I said, Hona's more scene, you know, driving around, going to gigs, weekend life, during the week, telling a story about her, more about her. So, but there's another wish, or maybe the director could have done, but with all the respect, they have done a great job to narrate, it's all about the vibe, it's all about the good things, it's about the good life, it's about having the good people around. Makeup artists, they're always there, trying to make it look good. All these things are happening at the same time, so she never really has time. Even when she's trying to relax, they're there trying to say, you know what, if you get what I'm saying, you know. And then at the end of the day, she's an artist that do get tired, you know. She needs to rest, but when you're just living the life out there, you might not understand. And it's not just like a life in a final cut musi. It's on the video or it's on the picture or you sing here. There's a lot that goes into this life in an. You got what I'm saying? So go check out the video. You drop a video. Makhadzi Entertainment movie, official video featuring Ntate Stunna, Fortunator, and DJ Gun Do SA. I'm out of here. Don't forget to check out the album. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Very meaning a video one. Komba kuzita. Ndo